Sap. Sap is like water. Sap is in trees. Sap is food for trees. Sap is food for man. We tap trees to get sap. We tap a hole in the tree. We tack a can to the tree. Sap runs into the can. We cook the sap. It makes syrup. It makes sugar. Here are the word families for that story. Sap, tap, cap, lap, map, wrap, nap, gap, zap, yap. Can, an, man, dan, tan, fan, pan, ran, van, ban. Tack, back, lack, rack, sack, jack, hack, mac, pack, back.